Welcome inside a modern denim factory, where enzyme washing transforms ordinary jeans into fashionable premium denim. Every pair is carefully inspected first, ensuring stitching, fabric quality, and measurements meet factory production standards perfectly. Natural cellulose enzymes are mixed with warm water, creating the special washing solution for authentic fading effects. The rotating drum lets enzymes gently remove surface fibers without damaging the denim's overall strength and durability. Gradually, deep indigo changes into soft vintage shades, producing fashionable worn-in denim with natural character beautifully. Once washing finishes, workers unload the jeans carefully, preparing them for thorough rinsing and cleaning afterward. Fresh water removes remaining enzymes completely, preventing unwanted reactions and ensuring consistent fabric quality throughout production. Powerful hydro-extractors remove excess water quickly, reducing drying time while protecting the garment's original shape perfectly. Industrial tumble dryers evenly dry every pair, leaving denim soft, comfortable, and ready for finishing operations next. Quality inspectors verify color consistency, softness, and overall appearance before approving every premium denim garment carefully. Loose threads are trimmed, minor repairs completed, ensuring every pair meets strict international quality standards before packing. Steam pressing removes wrinkles completely, giving each finished jean a clean, professional, retail-ready appearance every single time. Finally, jeans are folded, tagged, packed carefully, and shipped worldwide, ready for customers to enjoy everywhere today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.